Hi, this is Tutor Nick P, and this is lesson 773. The title of today's lesson is the difference between hold over and hold off. Okay, somebody wants a screenshot right now. Let's go right to it. Now, both verbs can mean to delay or postpone something. So there is a little bit of crossover here, and we're just going to focus on that definition today because hold over and hold off could have some other meanings as well, and try to give you hints of when you would be more likely to use hold over or hold off when it is in reference to delaying or postponing. All right, let's continue. So hold over is usually used with something that has already started, or at least part of it, but has not yet finished. Thus, some action or decision will be carried over to a later time. So, and also since it's that way, it's usually not too long. All right, let's continue. Hold off is usually used in regard to waiting to start something, as Wiktionary dictionary definition says, to delay commencing. Remember, commencing means to begin an action to a specified time or event has passed. So we're a little more likely to use hold off when we haven't even started it yet. And for that reason, it might be further into the future. So hold off tends to be a delay for a longer period of time because you're holding off even starting it at all. All right, let's continue. And we got 5 examples here to show how you could use them. Here's the first one. We only covered about half the agenda today. We will hold over the rest of the items until an additional meeting tomorrow. All right, now this is a case where you're carrying over your work, and it's not too long. It's only the very next day, so you're kind of holding it over to that time. So you're delaying, but delaying for a short time, and you already started it, but you're just going to finish it off probably tomorrow. Let's continue. All right, number 2. They decided to put this project on the back burner and hold it off until the economy improves. All right, now here's hold off. So again, it's a longer period of time, and you're talking about even starting to begin it. They didn't really begin it yet, so they're going to hold off even starting to begin it. And when the economy improves, who knows, that could take a very long time. So that's a way we would more likely use hold off. All right, number 3, I'm going to hold over on the decision until I get confirmation from the boss. All right, now here you might be a little more likely to use hold over because it's you're carrying it over. You just want to get an okay from the boss. That's probably going to be very soon. That's probably going to be the same day or the next day. So you're holding over until you get that decision. This is one where I could see there could be a little crossover. I could see a native speaker sometimes saying hold off here as well, but hold over might be a little better. All right, number 4. We really cannot afford this right now. We are going to have to hold off on our purchase until we are able to save more money. Now, this one you definitely got to say hold off because again, it's you're delaying even starting it or beginning it, and you got to save money. I don't know how long is that going to take. Sometimes never. Is it going to take a year, 2 years? Who knows? All right, number 5. We didn't have all the packages ready in time to be shipped out on Friday. We had to hold over shipping out the rest of the packages until the post office reopens on Monday. So again, here they started it. They got a lot of them ready, but they didn't have them all ready, and it's too late to get them shipped out on Friday. So now they're just shipping them out on Monday very soon, just a short delay. Anyway, I hope now you got a better feel of when you're more likely to use one of these terms than the other. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye.